Hi, good morning. It's another morning here at school and I'm very busy with paperwork. I have so many things to accomplish. Why? Because first, it's the application for business permit. Mm, dami. I have documents that I need to prepare, which I'm sorry I cannot show you because it's very private. And then I have to apply for the DepEd renewal of our government permit so that we can operate smoothly next year also. So ang dami. So join me as I go to offices. I'll go office of the barangay hall, fire station, health department to ask questions that I need. Oy, mayroon akong mic. Bakit lagi kong nakakalimutan si mic? Diba? Now it's clearer kasi may mic na tayo. Ayan. Anyways, today I'll go to the municipal hall. I go to the sanitary department. Ang dami kong gagawin today. Let's see kung ano yung magagawa ko. Actually, inutusan ko na yung isang teacher to go to the health office. Ang mahal ng medical checkup nila, it's 850 times 9 teachers. Wow, that's 7,000 something. So, sabi ko, try nyo nga maghanap ng mas mura sa ibang public health office. Mga ganyan. Kasi ang mahal naman ng x-ray talaga. Pero kung may makapagbibigay sa amin ng discount para cheaper price, 'di ba? Ang mahal noon. Stress. Lalo akong nagkaka-wrinkles kapag ganyan. Ay, ayan na nga. Oh my God. Any tips? Paano natatanggal ang wrinkles? O, 'di ba? Tatalastas tayo kasi nga hindi tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng wrinkles kapag nai-stress. Ito nga since I got pregnant, hindi na matanggal-tanggal. Kailangan na yata ito ng derma. I don't know. Anyways, yon, super busy. Kaya wala akong time magpa-derma. Wala din akong perang pampa-derma. Mga ganyan ba? True yan. And then, today is Friday. So, kailangan naming iayos yung play zone area sa baba at 3 p.m. So, pagod-pagod na naman tayo by this weekend. Weekend is a play zone open naman tayo. Okay, so, medyo nagkakasakit na ang person. Pero kaya natin to. Ilalaban natin to. We're gonna be okay. Magluluto pa muna pala ako. Wala kaming kanin. We have nothing I have to cook first. 'Di ba? Habang kasi pagdating nung Junakis, I'm sure she's hungry because she doesn't eat breakfast. So, syempre, kailangan pagdating niya, meron na tayong food. Ano ba? Diba? And here I am again. Ang dami kong gagawin. Tapos, nilabas ko yung fish. Bangus ba? Oh. How will I cook the bangus? Please help me. Hindi ako mahirap isipin kung paano sila iluluto. Diba? Ang dami mong ginagawa pero mas madami ka pang gagawin pag may iniisip kang pakakainin. And it should be like that naman talaga. That's life. Wait lang. Tapos, lagi akong inuutosan ni boss. Huwag magluluto ng maraming bigat kanin. Kasi laging napapanis. Okay, I'll be cooking.
Ngayon, ma'am, pumunta po ako sa RHQ. Libre po doon yung ihi tsaka tahe. Pero wala po silang x-ray. Pero ma'am, doon sa clinic po na nauna, ang x-ray po nila 350. Pag business permit. Pero pag regular, ma'am, 500. Tapos ma'am, nagtanong ako kung anong requirements po doon sa RHQ. At sabi lang ma'am, basta ilagay lang daw doon sa cup and then label it, tapos magpasa daw po ako ng mga names. Pero Huwag daw po kami sabay-sabay na pupunta if ever na doon po tayo.
Kapaya ka na.
Kasi ma'am, marami din daw po nagpapatest. Especially ma'am, tinanong nila, ilan po kami teachers ma'am?
9.
9 ma'am. Eh sabi ko, ay ma'am, kung pwede po, huwag po kayong sabay-sabay.
O sinuti umuna garod. By 2s, by 3s, kasjay.
Kasi ma'am, di ba ipa-copy, ipa-sign pa yung manong kini doktor.
One, ikat ni doktor ti mabaybayag. Makataktakki ka ba?
Ano?
Tawapang kayo, tumakki kayo. Tuwakki kayo, umisbo kayo. Nuisbo, carry lang, di takila unay
1 hour ma'am daw yung tae, 1 hour before.
Mabali nagipan ti morning. Anya oras opening da.
8 ata ma'am? Or mga 9, para mas sure.
Kasauman lagi ta teachers, ta schedule kayo tagipan. Mabalimot nga adama pan everyday.
Wala ma'am. Basta huwag lang po sabay-sabay.
Oh, okay.
Pero magpapasa po ako ng names namin tsaka details. Taga saan, ilang taon.
Gamagang garot isudan ta-iprintan.
Tinanong ko ma'am, free.
Oh.
Tapos, pero ma'am, ay ma'am, pag business permit, wala pong bayad. Ang alam ko ma'am, nakasali na doon sa babayaran ninyo. Sa
Ijay.
pag-renew ng permit.
Ito'y munisipyo. Umuan malagi. Let's go. Municipal Hall for Cedula. I hope there's no line. It's hard if there's a line. We don't know. Maybe. This is always no guarantee. No, everything doesn't have guarantee. People just keep trying what they think is possible to work. Isn't it? Yeah. It's very nice also if we own this building. Soon, fighting.
Then I will crush this one and then put Manginasar or Jollibee.
Nick, how about the school?
Who will build their other
Okay, that's our wildest
No, of
dream.
course that building should
This is the municipal hall. Oh,
up there.
we shouldn't be recording here. It's not allowed. Look at that. Perfect. Done with one requirement. Now our problem is our food.
So what's our food?
I don't know.
What do you want to eat?
Let's buy the chicken
Chicken?
because it will take time if I will cook.
Chicken? Chicken?
Or we go
We
to
put-
Barangay
we-
Hall
we-
first.
Barangay Hall? Where?
They're in Baligi. Let's go Barangay Hall first.
But we ate chicken, do you know?
Yeah, we've been
For
eating.
How many days? So chicken. We are enemy of chicken. Then remove from this earth.
That's the problem with keep eating the same food. Diba? When
This is the backside of the farmers.
when it's about business, the fees are expensive. You walk here, pass here.
Oh, cannot.
The fees are very expensive. And ganun pala yun. Pag cedula is for the name of the business. It's not the owner's name anymore. Oh, why are they closed? People are buying here. Maybe their food is good. No,
Here?
I don't like it.
Eatery? Where?
Just go Barangay Hall.
Turn right.
Okay, Barangay Hall for the... What do they call that? Barangay clearance. And that's very expensive too. Yes, we will pick up our daughter.
They didn't.
It's late. I'm sure she's alone there. She's very pitiful.
She's in good.
Are you sure? I will go and check on her. Knock knock. Sorry anak, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Awang kinan na.
Mama, magic cookies lang.
Ay, okay. Oh. You say bye to teacher.
Bye-bye.
Abi ko minsa.
Oh, she came out.
Ah. I'm sure
Oh,
nabisbisin
you
man.
made something.
Oh, you
What's
say thank you,
this?
teacher.
You blow your frog.
You blow. Wow!
Oh, very interesting.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
teacher.
Okay, thank you, you
You're
say.
going home, huh?
Happy? Happy ka? Wow, what's that? Wow! It's a frog.
One for today, one for tomorrow.
Is it big?
Right, so one more. Two, yes, two, right?